Today we will tell you how to set up your Amazon household account. If you're interested in the video, let's get started. You just have to go to your Amazon account through the web browser. Just log into your account and directly go to your account. After that, just search the option of account. Tap on that. Be patient. As you tap on it, this page will appear. As you can scroll down, you scroll down a bit and go directly to Amazon Household. Click on it. As you can see this page, in this page you can add an adult, teen or child. I'll just add an adult for now. As this page appears, just add the name of the adult that you want to add in to your account. I'm adding Annabella. Also add their email address. After entering the required details, click on Continue. So this page asks you if you want to share your wallet details or not. I don't really do that, so I'll just go for decline and do not share. If you want to do that, you can continue with it. After that, they'll just verify this and just click on Send Invite. This notification shows you that your invite has been sent. You have 14 days. If you want to take the invite back, if you want to cancel the invite, you can do it in 14 days. There you go.